Welcome back, Ultimate DIYers. This week we're back at the world famous Stroker's Ice House, owned by Rick Fairless. Can you guess whose faces these are? A little hint, the background music should give it away. Stroker's is famous for its mannequins that are on top of the building, and Rick loves the Blues Brothers. So part of this project is going to be to rebuild the Blues Brothers. But most of that is going to happen in the next episode. This episode is going to have a lot more to do with what I call the death cart. When someone passes away and has to be transported across the country and flown by plane, this is the cart that carries the body up to the plane to be loaded in. This is the back door that they actually open. You'll notice when you go around the front, you move the curtains back, you can see the rollers that the coffin sets on. So we're going to go ahead and put this cart up on top of the building and strap it down with cables. And just to give you a hint, this project has to do with the Blues Brothers. It also has to do with the cart, a skeleton, and a pirate's hook. So we're not only going to put the cart on the building, but we're going to rebuild the cart, repaint it. We're also going to light the cart up, light up the Blues Brothers and all the other mannequins and all the little murals that are underneath the bays that you're looking at now. Now you're actually seeing Rick out on the forklift helping us. The cart weighs in a little over 5,000 pounds, so a couple of us had to get on the back of the forklift so that it was fully extended, it did not tip over the forklift. This project took a lot of back and forth movement with the forklift, and we had men on the roof actually moving supports underneath the wheels to help hold everything in place so that it didn't fall through the thinner sheet metal and actually rest and was supported by the large beams. So I'm going to go ahead and just shut up for a little while and turn up the music and let you watch the show. So with dozens of low voltage lights added, I had to wire in 3 transformers like the one you see on the left. I also wired in new switches and new plugs. we decided to go ahead and rewire the entire stage area and all the mannequins on the stage. I'm not going to bore you with all the details of wiring up all of the mannequins and the lights. We have that in one of the previous episodes that you can go back and look at. So the next episode, we're going to rebuild the Blues Brothers, we're going to complete the Death Cart, we're going to add a skeleton, and we're going to add the pirate hook. So be sure you don't miss it. Be sure you watch all the way to the end, because we're going to show you the lit up version of everything late at night with the dozens of lights we've added. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and be sure you ring the bell notification so you know about all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.